Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M4 and let me share with you how to enable automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here first of all we have to enable the developer option. So let's tap on About Phone and keep tapping on the MIUI version. Let's keep tapping on it until you'll see this information. And now we can go back to the general settings and scroll down to find additional settings. Here, let's scroll down again to tap on the developer options. And in this list, we have to scroll down just a little bit to find automatic system updates. Simply tap on this switcher, and from now on this option is active, which means that your device is allowed to play the updates whenever it will be restarted. So remember about that. Of course, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.